Welcome to this episode on Noble TV. Today we'll be looking at insurance. Insurance in Nigeria has been fraught with a lot of misconception and misunderstanding. Most people don't understand insurance, and most of us don't see the reason why we should be insured. With me today to talk about this is our special guest in the house, Mrs. Esther Eronine. Mrs. Esther, you're welcome.
Thank you very much, Mr. Nabo.
You're welcome. Let's start with this. What is insurance?
Insurance is a way of managing risk. When you buy insurance, you are purchasing protection against financial losses. So now, if you are buying insurance from an insurance company, you are transferring your risk to that insurance company. So when there is a claim, insurance will bring you back to the position you were before the eventuality. So insurance will definitely indemnify you.
Okay, we got that. I think that's more like a theoretical explanation of what insurance is. Mrs. Esther, if you want to talk to a layman out there that doesn't understand what it means to indemnify the word you used, how will you tell them insurance?
Okay, what I mean by indemnify is for the insurance to bring you back to the position you were before the loss.
I think what she's trying to explain is in insurance, if something happens, peradventure there's a loss, insurance is to bring you back to that position you were before the loss. Thank you so much. So tell us, in Nigeria, we don't understand insurance. It's very hard for you to sell insurance in Nigeria because of the misconception, because of the fear, or maybe because of a challenge from the insurance company. Sometimes they don't like paying claims. What do you think is the major challenge as an underwriter in the Nigeria insurance industry?
The major challenge as an underwriter is risk management and also incomplete documentation. Sometimes we know in Nigeria that we always have network challenges that affect our turnaround time. If a claim is supposed to be paid, let's say in 2 weeks, due to network challenges, it might extend to 3 weeks or thereabouts. So we are looking at working on that to make sure that the turnaround time for our policies will be adjusted, and then the insured will be happy about the claim.
Is it only turnaround time? Because I've had series of people tell me series of incidents where people have maybe they insure their vehicle and the vehicle is involved in an accident. The insurance most times refuse to pay them, or sometimes maybe fire incident, the house is burnt. When you, after you've insured it, you meet your insurance company, they will like try to tell you why they will not pay, trying to give one reason or the other. I think these are some of the challenges. Maybe the insurance company are not doing enough. Don't you think so?
Actually, sometimes, you know, when you want to hide something from a Nigerian, just put it in a book. People don't read their policy documents, and the rate in which they purchase that particular policy also affects it when there is a claim, like that of motor insurance. If you want a comprehensive package, a complete package, the least rate is supposed to be 4% for a private vehicle, which covers vandalization, accidental damage, fire and theft, and it also covers flooding, civil commotion and riots. So if you are able to purchase a motor policy, let's say using 4%, you'll be able to have a complete package. So when there is a claim, insurance company will have any excuse to give to you. That claim must be paid. But in a situation whereby you are paying 2.5% or 2% due to our economy, you see that it will definitely affect the policy. The coverage will be limited. You won't have 100% coverage. Instead, you'll be having, let's say, 60% or 70% coverage. So it's advisable for you to ask or request for a total package when you are purchasing an insurance policy. That will really help.
It's okay. Thank you so much. So we say the reason why most times why we're having those challenges is maybe we don't pay the complete premium. That's what it means. Or we don't is the premium, right?
Is the premium.
It's
Yes.
okay. Thank you so much. So if I should ask, the average Nigerian out there thinks he doesn't need insurance. The average Nigerian, maybe in your rural area, they don't understand insurance. Do you think everybody needs insurance?
We all need insurance because life itself is a risk. So we have to transfer that risk to an insurance company so that when there is a problem, the insurance will bring us back to the position we were before an eventuality or unforeseen occurrence.
Well, I should take you that back on that, bringing you back to this position you were before this. Assuming somebody takes a life policy and the person dies, will you bring the person back? Is that what you're trying to say?
Insurance will only give you financial security. So that if the person is no longer there, you give the benefit to the beneficiaries, not the person, because the person is no longer there.
Okay. Can you tell us about the policies you people have? I just talked about life policy. Which are other policies you think the Nigerians out there you think we need? Other type of policy that you think you guys have?
We have motor insurance. Motor insurance, we have that of private and we have commercial. We also have fire and special perils. Fire and special perils is usually for buildings and also for equipment and machineries. We have marine insurance, which the government have made compulsory. When you are importing goods, marine insurance is a must. We also have contractors or risk. We have professional indemnity. We have public liability, and so on and so forth. We have so many of them.
You have so many. I wouldn't want you to maybe go look and trying to explain all these things. Or can you do that? Just few words how you can explain these types of policies so that we understand. At least the one for life insurance, I know if covers somebody's life if the person dies. For motor, I know it covers accident and stuff like that. You talked about professional, you talked about, can you tell us about those other ones?
Okay, that of professional indemnity is usually for professionals like that of doctors when there is a negligence during their surgery or any treatment they are administering to their patients.
Yes.
Yes, insurance, if as a result of that operation or whatsoever and the person eventually loses his or her life, insurance company will come in by paying the family of that
patient.
Okay. Yes, that's for professional indemnity. Contractors or risk, as the name implies, is for contractors. It's compulsory for them. They must purchase the policy.
It's okay. It's okay. Thank you so much. We've listened to Mrs. Esther talk to us on insurance. Mrs. Esther, one final word for our esteemed viewers about insurance in summary. Why do you think we should insure ourselves, or why do you think we should get things insured? Just one final word.
In summary, why we all need insurance in Nigeria is for financial security, to transfer our risk. We know that insurance itself or life itself is a risk. So when we purchase insurance, we are transferring the risk to an insurance company. Above all, peace of mind. When you have insurance, you have this peace of mind. If you look at the Western world, they always have peace of mind when there is a loss. That is because they have insurance. So I will advise all of us to look into it. First of all, let's know what insurance is all about, and then pick up or subscribe to relevant policies, and then we can enjoy the benefits.
Thank you so much. I will not go without asking you this question. We have a lot of insurance companies. Can you list, say, those ones you think are viable, those ones you think are standard, that you think that you can refer people to? Not one, adjusting like 5 insurance companies you think that people can subscribe to.
We have Zenith Insurance, we have Leadway Assurance, we have Cornerstone Insurance, we have ICO, we also have...
What about Hallmark?
Hallmark is also good. We have Asia. Asia is another good insurance.
It's okay.
Company
It's okay. We'll listen to Mrs. Esther talk to us on some of these insurance company. I will encourage every one of us out there. It's important we get this insurance policy for ourselves, for our properties, for everything around us. Like she used the word, is indemnifying people back to the position they were before such unforeseen circumstance. You know, it's given that these things will happen, but how prepared are you? That is why you need to get insurance cover. Thank you so much, Mrs. Esther. And for those of us Novo TV viewers, I will end by saying, you remember to subscribe, share, like, and comment. Thank you.